Our company is T3D, and we are focused on the 3D printer and also the cloud service. We have two contact technology. The one is we are using visible light resin, because usually a 3D printer is using a UV light and laser light to curing the resin. But now we developed a new material, is curing by the visible light. Second one is cloud service, because usually people is hard to using the slicing software. And now we develop our cloud service to slicing for our customer. So you just need to put into your file to our cloud, and our cloud will slicing for you, and you just need to download back to your smartphone and start printing. We know the maker have a good experiments about the 3D printer, so we want to get back those feedback to upgrade our machine. And then we want to use these experiments to let the teacher have a good education material. We want everyone can use their TCD to print everything they want.